Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome back to Student Festival College of Science. This video is from Mathematics Department, and I am your Mathematics lecturer, Jagdish M. Okay, you guys already know we started your BSc 5.2 Laplace transformation classes. In last class, we discussed about your Laplace transformation of some standard functions, and we already solved some problems on related to that Laplace transformation of standard functions. Okay, today I am going to start your new property, that is properties of Laplace transformation. Okay, the next one is properties of Laplace transformation. Okay, in that the first property is, it is change of scale. The name of first property is change of scale. Okay, let me solve this one. The statement is, if the Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to capital F of s, then Laplace transformation of f of at is equals to 1 by a into capital F of s by a. Okay. Using this, we have to prove this function. Okay. Let me start. Proof. We know that the Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to f of s is equals to f dash of s. Sorry, f bar of s. These all are definitions of Laplace transformation. Okay. So, and we have our definition, that is integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t into dt. Okay, that means the Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to f of s is equals to f bar of s. This is 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so this is your definition of Laplace transformation. So it means instead of writing L of f of t is equals to, we will write capital F of s. Okay. Next, next, we have to prove that Laplace transformation of f of at is equals to 1 divided by a f of capital F of s by a. Okay. Let me take this function here. It is Laplace transformation of f of at is equals to integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and this is our function, that is f of at. We have right here f of at into dt. Okay. This is according to your definition. There is a nothing difference between this and this. Just we substitute f of t into f of at. Sorry, f of at. Okay, and here we will take at. It is f of at, your function. So instead of writing at, we will write u here, and just t is equals to u by a. This one. And when we differentiate the function, dt is equal to du by a here. And limits also, if t tends to 0, then u also tends to 0. If t tends to infinity, then t also tends to, sorry, u also tends to infinity. Okay. And we will write this function here. It is Laplace transformation of f of at is equals to integration over 0 to infinity e to the power, this is our function, f of t, sorry, e to the power st f of at into dt. Okay, this is your f of t into dt. This is your given function. So we will write here integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus. So t means our u by a. T means our u by a into f of at here. Sorry, f of at here. So at value is u and dt is du by a. Okay, I will explain it once more. So this is our given, that is f of at is equals to integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of at into dt. Okay, instead of writing values, we will write here. That means integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus s, t value is u by a, and f of at value is f of u into dt value is du by a. Okay, when we simplify this function, 0 to infinity e to the power minus s by a into u and f of u into du. Okay, great. And this one a function will becomes outside, that is 1 by a constant value. Okay, that is 1 by a into integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus s by au f of u into du. Okay, okay, so this function we called as 1 by a is constant value as it is, and this whole function we will write capital F of s by a. Okay, this function I will explain here. So we know f of t, instead of writing Laplace f of t is equal to integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t into dt. Okay, so this is also equals to capital F of s. Okay, there is no doubt. And how we will write this capital F of s? It means here is your value. So this value we will write here. Okay, so that means e to the power minus s by a u into f of u into du is this our given value. So instead of writing this, we will write capital F of s by a. Okay, so remaining, so these are same. That's why we will write capital F of s, and we have 1 by a is constant value. Okay, that's why our resultant value is Laplace transformation of f of at. Okay, f of at is equal to 1 by a into capital F of s by a. Okay, your second property is your second property is first shifting property. Okay, listen here carefully. This is important one for 5 marks. First shifting property. It is, the statement is, if Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to f of s, then we have to find Laplace transformation of e to the power at into f of t is equals to f of s minus a. Okay, see, listen here carefully. E to the power at function will comes, on that time we will have to write f of s minus a. Okay, let me prove this one. First, what we'll write? This is our given. That means if Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to f of s. This is by definition. This is by our definition. And this function we have to prove that it is f of s is equals to the integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t into dt. This is also our definition. And here we will write f of s minus a. Okay, take this one, f of s minus a. That means we have to write s minus a here. Integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus of s minus a into t and f of t dt as it is. Okay, see here this difference between these two formulas. Okay, then we will write integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st minus at. Okay, sorry, minus into minus it will become plus at minus st plus at and remaining f of t dt as it is. Okay, and integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st first function and e to the power at is second function, f of t dt. I will write this function as separate. Okay. Okay. Next, we will separate this function as integration over e to the power at into e to the power minus st f of t into dt. Okay. So you guys know this is our f of t function, that is Laplace transformation of f of t. Okay. So we will write this function as Laplace transformation of e to the power at, it is f of t. Okay. So using RHS, we will solve LHS. That means our final resultant value is f of s minus a is equals to Laplace transformation of e to the power at f of t. Okay. Okay. Thus we have it is Laplace transformation of e to the power at is equal, sorry, e to the power at into f of t is equals to f of s minus a. Okay. So we will getting some confusions here. Confusion here. So that's why. So instead of writing f of s minus a in Laplace transformation of f of t function, we will write this one s tends to s minus a. That means instead of writing s, we will write s minus a. Okay. So Laplace transformation of e to the power at f of t is equals to f of s minus a is our answer. So instead of writing this function, we will write Laplace transformation of f of t, where s tends to, this is s minus a. Okay. I hope now you clear. So we will see some examples on this. Okay. This is our given equation, that is Laplace transformation of sin t divided by t is equals to cot inverse of s. Then we will find Laplace transformation of sin of at divided by t. Okay, we have to find sin of at by t using this function. Okay, first we will solution. So right, this is our given equation. That is Laplace transformation of f of t is equals to Laplace transformation of sin t by t. So we, instead of calling f of t, we will call f of s also. Now, so we will write directly f of s is equals to cot inverse of s. So call this is our equation 1 because this is our given formula. Now we have to solve Laplace transformation of sin at by t. Okay. So we will solve this one. Laplace transformation of sin at by t is there. So we have multiplied. So we will take as multiply and divided by a. Okay. If we cancel this one, we will get same answer only. Okay. That's why we will take sin of at divided by at into a. Okay. So when we separated this function, a is constant value. That's why we will take a as a outside. Then Laplace transformation of sin at divided by at. Okay. See here. So if we have sin t by t is f of t function. Okay. It means we will have sin of at by at is there. So that's why, so we can take as f of at function also. Okay. So here we have a is constant value. So we will write this one as Laplace transformation of f of at. Okay. Instead of writing this function, we will take Laplace transformation of f of at. Because of that, we know f of t is only f of t is equal to sin at by t. So f of at is sin at by at. Okay. Now when we simplify this function, is constant value as it is, and this function we just solved, that is Laplace transformation of f of at is equals to, we just solved 1 by a into capital F of s by a. Okay, this is we just solved by property 1, that is change of scale. Okay, so this is your resultant value, that is Laplace transformation of, okay, the Laplace transformation of sin 80 by t is equals to, so f of s is our cot inverse of s and divided by n. Okay. Okay. I will go for your problems. So using these problems, you will get clear for that properties. Now find the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t sine 4t. Okay, you guys already know this value will becomes 1 by s minus minus of minus 2. Okay, so here using our property, so that means we have to write s tends to, it is 80 value. 80 value is, okay, wait, 80 value is s minus a. Okay, this is already know, and this function we have to write by first shifting property, it is Laplace transformation of, Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t, it is, this is our 80 function, and sin 4t. Instead of writing f of series, we will write Laplace transformation of small f of t, small f of t, where s tends to this function, our s minus a means minus of minus 2, that is s plus 2. Okay, here, so Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t sin 4t is equals to Laplace transformation of sin 4t, and this function, instead of writing this total, we will write s tends to s minus of minus 2. That means wherever the answer will get s, in that we have to put this function, that is s of minus 2. It means s plus 2. Okay, so this becomes outside. Now we will solve Laplace transformation of 4t. Okay, you guys already know sin of 80 is equals to a divided by s square plus a square. That means 4 divided by s square plus 4 square. So here s square plus 4 square is 16. So now this is your remaining function, that is e to the power minus 2t function. So this function is s tends to s plus 2, that is s tends to s minus of minus 2. Instead of writing s, we will write s plus 2 here. It means 4 divided by s square plus 16 is there. It means s 4 divided by s square is s plus 2 whole square plus 16 is there. When we simplify this function, 4 divided by s square plus 4 plus 4s plus 16. This is a plus b whole square. So now 4 divided by 4 divided by s square plus 4s plus 20. Okay. 4 divided by s square plus 4s plus 20. This is your resultant answer. So final answer is Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t sin 4t. Okay. So this function will becomes s tends to, this is our given s minus of minus 2. Suppose if it gives s e to the power 2t, that becomes s minus 2. So this is our 80 value. So 80 tends to s minus a. Okay, so your final answer is, final answer is Laplace transformation of, Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 2t sin 4t is equals to 4 divided by s square plus 4s plus 20. Okay. So our next one is find the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into t square. So this becomes your s minus a, that is s tends to s of minus 3. That means s tends to s plus 3. Okay, and this function Laplace transformation of t square, you guys already know, this t to the power n is n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1, that is 2 factorial divided by s to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, I will write this one here only. Given, that is e to the power minus 3t into t square. So when we apply the Laplace transformation to this function, the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into t square, okay, this becomes your s tends to, then the Laplace transformation of t square is our function, and this s tends to s plus 3. It is s minus a is our resultant value, so s tends to s minus of minus 3 is there, that becomes s plus 3. Okay, so t square, this is our t to the power n, it becomes 2 factorial divided by s to the power 3. Okay, 2 factorial divided by s to the power 3, and s value is s tends to our s plus 3 value, that becomes s 2 factorial divided by, that is 2 into 1 is 2 only, and s cube is s plus 1 whole to the power, so s plus 3 whole cube is your answer. So final resultant is, so if you want to simplify this function, there is no doubt you have to simplify, that means a plus b whole cube function, a cube plus b cube, okay, that you have to solve this one. So resultant value is Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t t square is equals to 2 divided by s plus 3 whole cube. Okay. So I hope you guys this one is remember, this one is understanding, e to the power minus 3t. Okay, just you guys do some homework for here, then you will get same. Okay, you guys do homework for here. So this function we will write it as e to the power minus 4t sine 3t. It becomes Laplace transformation of sine 3t. There s tends to s minus of minus, and this function uh, Laplace transformation of cos 4t, and s tends to here s minus 3 only because of at value. So and this function Laplace transformation of cos 3t, where s tends to s minus 2, and here Laplace transformation of cos 5t, s tends to s minus of minus 2. Okay, you guys know already these functions. So wherever the resultant value, you will get s divided by something, a divided by s and r. Instead of writing s, you have to substitute these values here. Okay. Next we will go for one more problem. Find the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. Okay. This is also same function. Instead of writing this, we will write s tends to s minus of minus 3. That is s plus 3. Okay. So we will solve here the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into 2 into cos 5t minus 3 into sin 5t. Okay. Instead of writing this function, we will write outside, that is s tends to s plus 3, and remaining you guys already know that is Laplace transformation of two function by linearity property. When we separated this function, we will get Laplace transformation of 2 into cos 5t, that is s divided by s square plus 5 square. So this is your, wait, this is, so cos 80 you guys already know, that is s divided by s square plus a square is your formula. So in equation, in this equation you have cos of 5t, that is s divided by s square plus 5 square. Okay, and second function is 3 into sine function. So Laplace transformation of two functions. It is 3 into Laplace transformation of sine phi t. So sine phi t means phi divided by, that is phi divided by s square plus phi square. In sine function, sine 80 your value is there. Okay. Okay, wait. Something is going wrong. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Here, this is your Laplace transformation of two functions. That is Laplace transformation of first function and minus Laplace transformation of second function. And your Laplace transformation of first function is 2 cos phi t minus Laplace transformation of second function is 3 sin phi t. Okay, Laplace transformation of. So here we will solve this function, that is 2 into, you guys already know, that is cos of 80 function. Cos of 80 is equals to s divided by s square plus b square. So here we will write 2 into s divided by s square plus phi square minus Laplace transformation of second function. You guys know, already know, sine of 80 function. It is a divided by s square plus a square. That means our a value is 5 divided by s square plus phi square. Okay. When we simplify this function I write here 3 into, sorry, 3 is your constant value, 3 into. Okay. It is 2 into s divided by s square plus 5 minus 3 into 5 divided by s square plus 5 square, where s tends to s plus 3. Okay, this is important one. Don't neglect this one. And when we simplify this function, or when we, oh yes, we simplify this function, we will get 2s divided by 2s divided by wait, 2s divided by s square plus 25 minus 15, that is 3 into 5, 15 divided by s square plus 25. Okay, now we have s value, that is s tends to s plus 3. So this value we have to substitute here. It means 2 into s, that is 2 into s plus 3 divided by s square means s plus 3 whole square plus 25, and 15 is constant value, 15 divided by s square, that means s plus 3 whole square plus 25 as it is. Okay, now we simplify this function, that is 2 into s is 2s and 2 into 3 is 6 minus 15 as it is in denominator, s plus 3 whole square is there. Okay, this becomes a plus b whole square, that is s square a square plus b square, that is 9 plus 2 into a, that is 6s. Okay, 2 into 3 into s, that is 6s plus 25 is as it is. So this side is also same here, s plus 3 whole square formula, that is s square plus 9 plus 6s plus 25. Okay, now we simplify this function, that is 2s plus 6 minus 15 divided by s square plus 6x plus 34, same, s square plus 6s plus 34. So both will same, we will get the LCM the same answer only, and into 1 is as it is. It means 2s plus 6 minus 15 divided by s square plus 6x plus 34. Okay, so this becomes our minus 9. The answer is 2s minus 9 divided by s square plus 6s plus 34. Okay, so our final resultant value, is, that is Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into 2 cos phi t minus 3 sin phi t is equals to 2s minus 9 divided by s square plus 6s plus 34. Okay, you have to write this one also. Next one is find the Laplace transformation of e to the power 2t into 2t square minus 3t plus 4. So this one also same is here. It is instead of writing e to the power 80, we will take s minus a. That means s tends to s minus a, and here our value is s tends to s minus 2. Okay. Simplify this one. First we will write given equation, that is e to the power 2t into 2t square minus 3t plus 4. And we apply the Laplace transformation to this function. It is Laplace transformation of, here Laplace transformation of, we will write direct, that is 2t square minus 3t plus 4, where s tends to s minus 2 here. Okay, where s tends to s minus 2. Now, the Laplace transformation of 2t minus 3t plus 4, where s tends to s minus 2. When we simplify this function, you guys already know that is Laplace transformation of t to the power n factorial divided by n, sorry, s to the power n plus 1, your formula is there. So using this formula, we solve here directly. It is 2 as it is constant value, t square, that means t to the power 2. That means 2 factorial divided by s to the power 2 plus 1 here. And second function is 3 as it is, t to the power 1, that is 1 factorial divided by s to the power 1 plus 1. And Laplace transformation of 4. It is your constant value, it becomes 4 by s. Okay. Okay, now we will solve this function. As when we simplify this function, that is 2 factorial is 2 only, 2 into 2 is 4, and in numerator, okay, wait, we will write here 2 into 2 4 divided by s cube minus 3 divided by s square plus 4 by s is your answer, where we have to substitute s tends to s minus 2. That means wherever we have write s, in that we will substitute s minus 2. This becomes our, okay, this becomes our 4 divided by s cube minus 3 divided by s square plus 4 divided by s. Okay, here we have to substitute s minus 2 whole cube, here s minus 2 whole square, and here s minus 2. That means 4 divided by s minus 2 whole cube minus 3 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 4 divided by s minus 2. Okay, when we simplify this function, we will get our answer is, when we take LCM, it is s minus 3 whole cube, sorry, s minus 2 is whole cube